पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स ये आसान नहीं होता कि स्टेज पे खड़े हो के एक जबरदस्त एक्सेंट पे बात करना. इट इज इम्पॉसिबल.
The youngsters, we must act, no wait. We all need to contribute. You and I both have a role to play. The world needs our energy, our ideas, our determination. We mustn't wait for chance to come. We must be the ones to bring it. It's time to rise and take action.
क्योंकि यहाँ हमारे पॉसिबल किया कुछ बच्चों ने. अभी आप उनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखें और ये बच्चे कोई इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, ऑक्सफोर्ड, कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल के बच्चे नहीं है. ये हमारे दिल्ली के बच्चे, वो भी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के.
Education is the key that opens doors to opportunities, but too many still remain locked. Why is it that for a father, arranging dairy is so easy, but providing books is so hard?
अब यही बच्चे जब यहाँ ट्रेनिंग लेके अपने स्कूल में जब स्पीच देंगे ना, तो पब्लिक देखेगी कहाँ से आए, अमेरिका में कोई प्रैक्टिस, या पिताजी आपके अमेरिका में थे. लैंग्वेज बोलना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं, थोड़ा उसमें फ्लेवर लाना, वर्ड्स कहाँ किस पे स्ट्रेस देना, किस साउंड कैसे अदा करना, ये इंपॉर्टेंस जो हमने बच्चों को सिखाया.
Why is that organizing brain building is so easy, but providing quality education is so hard? Why is it that for a university graduate, spending hours on Instagram is so easy, but spending just 1 hour helping a poor child with their study is so hard? Why is it that we find time for everything else, but find excuses when it comes to educating the next generation? Why is it that we dream of a better world, but hesitate to educate those who will create it? We often take education for granted, but there are millions who are deprived of it. It's our duty, our responsibility to ensure that every child has the opportunity to learn and grow. Together, we have the power to build a future where education is accessible to all, no reserved for few. It's time for us to take action, not tomorrow, but today. The ability to bring about change is in our hands. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful day.